The method I choose is the discussion. Discussion method is a learning method that confronts learners with a problem. The main purpose of this method is to solve problem, answer questions, and understanding learners' knowledge, as well as to make a decision. Next, advantages of the method in. The first, stimulate creative students to provide ideas. In learning activities, the process of providing material is not just explaining, but ensuring that the student you teach understand the material. The second, dare to express opinion. The discussion learning method is considered capable of turning passive students into more active ones. How could it not? They are required to be more courageous in expressing their ideas or opinion, even if their opinion is different from their other. The third, can exchange thought. In discussion, two or more people are needed so that they can exchange ideas about the problem being discussed. Getting children used to exchanging ideas is beneficial for their future, where they must be more critical and respect other people's different or of opinion. The fourth, good teamwork. In discussion, good teamwork is needed because if the cooperation is not carried out properly, then they cannot solve the problem. And the last, learn to be a leader. In discussion, there must be a leader who ensures that the group can discuss well. Indirectly, this teaches students how leaders can organize and work well. Disadvantages of the method discussion. The first, only some students are active. Basically, this discussion method requires students to speak and express their ideas, but in practice, only a few students control the course of the discussion. This will certainly lead to inequality, where passive students will remain passive. The second, the discussion expands and goes out of the learning material. Because of the many opinions that come in, sometimes students become unfocused or even get out the discussion of the subject matters. Instead of making them understand a subject matters, they become more confused. The third, takes a long time. When starting a class discussion, students may take a long time to solve the problem you give them. In fact, sometimes a lot. And the last leads to uncontrollable emotion. In discussion, there are often difference of opinion. If each student cannot solve the problem and still mention their respective opinions, it can cause an uncontrollable emotion. To prevent this from happening, you can provide assistance or direction in finding the right solution. Next method step, the first preparation step. In the first step, the teacher must do several things, namely, number one, determine the learning objective to be achieved, but both general and specific. Number two, determine the appropriate type of discussion in accordance with the learning objective. Number three, identify the problem that will be discussed by students. Number four, prepare all supporting facilities such as material relating to the technical implementation of the discussion, including the classroom and discussion officer. The second step, conducting the discussion. When the discussion is already underway, the teacher must be a good discussion guide. Some things that can be done include: number one, ensure that all preparation for the discussion have been done well. Number two, give direction to the student about the learning objective and rules of the discussion. Number three, carry out a discussion according to rules that have been set, maintaining the atmosphere of the discussion so that it becomes a fun learning tool. For example, keeping the atmosphere not tense, not cornering each other, and so on. Number four, provide adequate opportunities for each student to express their opinion. And the last, controlling the conversation, limited to the topic a problem, begin discussion. This is important so that the discussion that does not widen and the discussion participant become unfocused. And the last step, closing the discussion. In this final step, the teacher must do the following things. Number 1, draw conclusion based on the agreed discussion result. Number 2, provide an evaluation of the course of the discussion. And the last, in addition, ask for the opinion of all students as feedback to improve further learning. The discussion method allows participants to share multiple viewpoints that enrich their collective understanding of the topic at hand. Discussion effectively facilitates complex problem solving by encouraging creativity and collaboration between participants. Attack the discussion method in the classroom because it can encourage active interaction between students, promote deeper understanding, and build their critical thinking skill. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.